In this video, I'm going to explain how to make a Chime account under 18. So in case you're not 18, here's what you can do. Now, unfortunately, you can't do this by yourself, so Chime does not support different accounts that are 18 and below. So this means you actually won't be able to do it on your own and have your own account in case you are not 18 years old of age yet. However, what you should do is over here, it says on their official website that if you are under 18, you will need a co-owner, which means minors often require a co-owner to open an account. And if you are under 18, you'll need a legal guardian to help you complete your application. Okay, so you can go to your application with your guardian, and this is going to be similar to a joint account. And then you will need your co-owner, which can be, for example, your parent, to share their full legal name, their SSN, social security number, their identity documents, and then their contact info. And then over here it says that after you become a legal adult, so once you are of course over 18, you can apply to be the sole owner of your bank accounts by requesting your co-owner to be removed, of course inside the support function inside the app. So in case you're not 18 yet, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get a legal guardian, or basically somebody who can create the account with you, and then you'll be able to use it for the time being. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.